Hello everybody, welcome back to hardreset.info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily manage color temperature settings on your ACER Nitro XZ273U monitor. So first, what we want to do is we want to click the power button twice, so 1 and 2, to open up the menu. Now here, let's go to color, and here we will have the color temperature. So now here we have it at warm, normal, cool. We can set a blue light, or we can make a custom one. As you guys can see, the red gain, now the green gain. Let's change it in the second direction, and the blue gain will also change it in this direction. Now here we can change the bias. So for example, the green bias, we can change it to, let's say, 80. And that's how we can easily customize it. So I always use either warm or cool. So here we have both of those settings, and that's it. I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.